Welcome back guys. In this video, we'll dive into image views. What are they, and how to use them in your Android applications. What are image views? An image view is a view used to display image resources in your app. You can show images stored in the drawable folder or load them dynamically from the gallery in the user's phone. Today, we will examine how to display images from the drawable folder. First, let's add an image to the drawable folder. To add an image in the drawable folder, we just drag that image from the folder there into the drawable folder, and then we click OK. It should be noted that the images you have must not contain a capital letter. Because the naming of resources is so strict, it should adhere to a couple of rules. Use only lowercase letters. You can use numbers. No capital letters, no spaces. No special characters. The name must start with a letter. Now let's start. So we open the XML file and then create an image view. So we type > and we type image view and press enter. Next, let's specify the size of the view. We set the width to match parent and height to 300 sp. Now let's set an ID of the image view. Next, let's set the constraints using the graphical interface. And then we set the src to the place of our image, which is the location of our image and the name of the image. In our example, at the drawable folder. So we type at drawable, then the name of the image. And now, as you can see, here is our picture displayed in our image view. And here is another example. Next, let's discuss about the sizing of the image. We can use the scale type attribute. In the scale type, we have a couple of values that you can use to scale your image. We have center, centers the image in the view without scaling it. Center crop, scales the image uniformly so that it fills the image view while maintaining its aspect ratio. Parts of the image may get cropped. Center inside, scales the image uniformly so it fits completely within the image view. The image is centered, and no part is cropped. Fit center, scales the image to fit within the image view, aligning it to the center. Fit start, scales the image to fit within the image view, aligning it to the start top or left. Fit end, scales the image to fit within the image view, aligning it to the end bottom or right. Fit XY, stretches or compresses the image to fill the entire image view, ignoring the aspect ratio. Now let's see how we can interact with views in Kotlin code. First, let's build this interface and interact with it in code. It contains one image view, a text view, and 3 buttons. One to display a car, one to display a food, and the last one to erase what's inside our view.
Listen to that. How can she make a song written by a machine sound so beautiful, so beautiful, so beautiful?
Now let's go to our Kotlin to write the code, to interact with our views. Now let's break down the code. First, we start by the set on click listener. Next, we call the binding variable dot the ID of the image view. Next, we call the set image resource function. Next, we call the path of the image, which is our drawable the image name. To clear an image view, we set the image resource to 0. Now let's start the application. Now this was our video today. I hope you found it helpful. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.